Here's a quick peek into one of the advertising kits, and you can see from the table of contents that the kit is organized very precisely and specifically, so that you have easy to follow step-by-step instructions to create ad campaigns that save you money and don't waste your time. Each kit starts with a tour and an overview so you know what you're looking at and you have an orientation and a lay of the land, and you can know what to expect and what you need to prepare beforehand. The sections of the kit are broken down into segments that you can follow along with at your own pace and accomplish things that need to be done for building your ad campaigns and planning them along the way. For example, writing powerful ad copy is a really important part of every one of the kits. And if I click here over Write Powerful Ad Copy, here's what's inside for the Google Ads kit. We'll help you identify your own unique selling propositions first, and then we give you a ChatGPT prompt script to put that information in so that ChatGPT can produce the precise ad copy you need for each individual ad platform. That's just one of many things that the advertising kits has in store for you. And after all the planning work is done, which is a really, really important part of the process, you get step-by-step guidance on how to build your campaigns and set them up, like this section here. You'll watch a video to understand which campaign settings to choose and exactly how to set your campaign up. You can watch the videos as many times as you want, as slow as you want, or as fast as you want. And the same goes for every other component of the campaigns that you build. And beyond all the guidance of planning and building your campaigns, we give you additional resources to make sure that all the other bits and pieces of your marketing that could impact the results of your ad campaigns are up to speed. So as you can see, the kit is super easy to use. It's going to save you thousands of dollars, skip the trial and error, and get the results from ads that you deserve. Thanks for watching.